I want to show you how I'm using Arduino UNO to drive my servos. The code in Arduino UNO will drive 12 servos, but I only have 10 of them hooked up here. Now the UNO is receiving single-ended DMX from a USB to serial output cable, inputted into the serial receive pin on the UNO. The 10 outputs comes from the pins to a breadboard where I plug the servos into. Now let me run the code here. Some of those servos are a little bit noisy. Some of them sound pretty good. Like 12 of them for 20 bucks, I think it was. The code I'm running in this UNO is very simple. It's right at one page. I'll show you that code now. I can hardly believe it. It actually bridged that gap from one side to the other. I'm really surprised. You see it there? 7 hours to print that. Turned out really nice. I'm surprised. I didn't think it would span that gap there, but there's one little thread hanging there, but otherwise it did pretty good. Did a beautiful job on this thing. Almost done with this one. This is my second piece. There's a whole piece here. This is my third piece for my 3-axis skull movement, I guess you'd call it. This is my 3-axis platform. So let's run this Xlights. Here's my Xlights here. We go into controllers. Using OpenDMX. COM6. And layout, I only have one thing on the layout, and that's the Servo. Or I guess that's called DMX here on the layout. And the sequencer. I have one servo put down here, and the servo has 12 outputs. And then I use the effect here, in which is the servo effect. It's a modified sawtooth. You pick what kind of wave you want down here, and then if you want, after you pick which one you want, you can go in and select custom. That's what I've done. Then you can adjust these, even add more peaks if you want. There, put it up where you can see it. You can adjust these if you want. Oh yeah, give me a finger here. say OK. Let's go ahead and run this. I had to stop that last video and had to start over. I forgot to turn the servo power supply on. So we'll try this again. Just doing a tilt, nod, and rotate.